Третий класс, английский язык, Звездный Английский, Домашнее задание, Счастливого Рождества, часть первая, страница 115, 116, 117. English, Starlight 3. Merry Christmas. Homework. Part number 1, page number 115, 116, 117. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I am your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. You look marvelous. You haven't changed a bit. Neither have you. Neither have you. You look marvelous. So do you. You look wonderful. So do you. You look terrific. So do you. You haven't changed a bit. Neither have you. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 115. 115. Troll Tales. Exercise number 1. Listen and read the story. Послушайте и прочтите историю. Where's the gold pork? There, under the rainbow trog. Can we walk to the rainbow? No, we can't. Can we fly to the rainbow? Well, we haven't got a plane, but we've got Popsy. Yes, now we can fly there. No more pixie dust. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 116. 116. Merry Christmas. Exercise number 1. Listen and sing. Послушайте и спойте. O Christmas tree, O Christmas tree. Your leaves are never changing. O Christmas tree, O Christmas tree. Your leaves are never changing. They are all green when summer here. They are all green when winter near. O Christmas tree, O Christmas tree. Your leaves are never changing. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 117. 117. Exercise number 2. Look, read and say. Посмотри, прочитай и скажи. The answer. Dear Santa, my name's Paul. I am 10 years old. My home is at 45 Pine Road. Can I have a new computer for Christmas, please? My stocking is in the living room. Merry Christmas. Love, Paul. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. Make a Christmas stocking. Сделайте рождественский носок. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.